Today, I will take you to garden to enjoy and play the football game.
Thank you, Mom, for making me happy. I love the garden for playing my favorite football. It's a very wonderful place. Hello, Cutie. Can I play with you? No, I don't like to play with anybody. Please go away from me and leave me alone. I said leave me alone. You don't hear that I want to play alone without anyone.
Ooh, Cutie, what happened to you? Why you're angry? You have to sharing with friends. Don't be selfish. Be kind, Cutie.
Okay, Mom, come we will play together and enjoy. Thanks you, Cutie. I enjoy playing with you so much.
Good job, boys.